Alright, welcome back to my channel. We're back again on a new video reaction. I just want to share this with us. This is from COS X handle. Alright, she made this post we are seeing here, and she said, this is a breaking news: USB Constitution and Declaration on sale. Okay, Constitution $100, Declaration $50, total $150, right? Shipment to the US added 35, and Europe 55. Payment to here, this link, you can see the link. Here's the link that if you want to make, if you want to purchase, follow this link and get your own copy. Email received with shipment address to deputy. Okay, this is deputy PM at usbgovernment.org. Copies will be at the USB DC event, because started of this month will be very big, very important day for USB government, for Biafrans, in general, because everybody know that 30th of May is a remembrance of Biafran heroes and heroes, that's fallen heroes and even the living one, just to remember them on what they have done and the activities of genuine, reasonable, sensible Biafrans, dead and alive. So it's a day that has been mapped out by every Biafrans, and those who are pretending that they are not Biafrans observe this day. You understand? So nobody is questioning that. That is what it is. Culture of mass Americano, and some of the haters of mass Americano, you don't remember this one, right? You don't remember that Massacre is the one that actually made it possible to be remembered once again. When we are growing up, I remember those days. You dare not talk, you dare not even mention Biafra in the street, because you don't know who will be beside you to do one or two things against you. But now, Biafrans are proud of themselves and everything is going the way it's supposed to be. Now, I just want to share it with you, and please make sure you get your own copy. And for those of you that are not aware that Biafran will open the embassy, Biafran, of course, Biafran government will open, her embassy in US coming up this 30th of May, together with the Remembrance Day. So the celebration will be massive. It will be massive. The whole world, because Biafrans are everywhere. So every corners of this world are going to witness this particular day. Whether you are Wazirike or group, or whether you are, some of you that, whether you're underground, you have to celebrate it underground. Whether you are dormant and waiting for PM and masses in American to come out, you have to celebrate it where you are hiding. So that is just the fact. But the selling of constitution and declaration, like you have it here, these are the copies. Okay, you have no other reason to not to get this copy. In getting this copy, actually, is a way of supporting the Biafra movement, supporting our freedom, supporting the event. Do all you can to make sure that you contribute, not for terrorism, not for violence. We don't support it. We don't promote anything illegality. We are talking about the welfare of the people. Do you understand it? So I don't want you to see, because some of you are, they said that they are buying people. That is not true. Nobody is actually going after anybody's life, but the truth is that you have to do what you can to make sure that you have your life secured and your destiny being controlled by you. So let me just move to another thing before we end the broadcast, because I told us last time that we mentioned about where is Elias. How many of you remember we talked about Elias in our live broadcast a few days ago? I made it clear to all that this man has disappeared. Nobody is seeing him anymore. And somebody actually made it clear that after saying this, that they're going to bring him out, and behold, the man is out. Yesterday, this guy here made a post and said, hashtag grassrootless or whatever he called himself. I don't know his name. He said, here is my latest video to Biafrans. I explained the 3 R's to achieve Biafra: redeclaration, 1; restoration, 2; and recognition. Okay, good, very good, right? Now let us talk about it, but I just want you to understand the fact that this man was not speaking until we mentioned his name, that he's nowhere to be found. They'll quickly rush to him and say, do video, do video, do video. Now he have done the video. After Hasipagana, they will pretend that they don't listen to you. I don't know who is this person. Just few days ago, was it not 2 or 3 days now? That we not only me, Biafran asked his whereabouts. Why are they not bringing him up? Somebody quickly said that, look, after saying this, you are going to see him surface very, very, very fast. Behold, he's here. And let's talk about this three out he mentioned here. One is redeclaration, two, restoration, and three, recognition. Now, the redeclaration is the one that people that are paying him now are telling that that it did not happen. That you have to fall back. Meaning that if you don't declare it, the other three out is not going to be functioning. It won't be functionable because you have to declare. So if you declare it, you stand on it to restore it and to recognize that thing that you have stand upon. But those who claim they speak good English, they know everything, they're educated, they're sound, they're this, they're that, and shamefully, they are the one to tell you that we are going to pray, okay, to make sure that everything is okay. We are going to stand on restoration and recognition without accepting or believing that you have declared it. Just use your brain. This this thing that this man said here, the man understand that they're dumb. Why? Because there's a reason why he first mentioned redeclaration. Why? Because you have to declare it, to stand on it, to restore it, and to defend it. So when you declare it, you have to restore it, which is to go toe to toe with your enemy, those that are holding it. Then while looking for people to recognize your existence as a people. But the people that he's working with now are busy telling you that this redeclaration is just a mere talk. That their main issue, the main thing they want to do is to restore it without observing or accepting that they have declared. If you, some of them will say, no, we accept, we accept. But if you accept, how come you keep on calling that thing that you redeclared? You said that his name is USB charger. That's what your group are championing. That is a USB charger and is USB in Nigeria. Does it make any sense to you? So how can you now tell people to recognize that thing that you yourself are mocking the name, meaning you can't even recognize it? Some of you that bears the name, you just put your name to what I'm about to say now. If your name is Mr. T, okay, now you don't, when Mr. T is being mentioned, okay, Mr. T, you don't answer. Mr. T, you don't answer. You say that Mr. T is a bunch of food. That will be your response. You did not answer. Then you will now go to somebody and say, please borrow me money. The person say, okay, how much do you want me to borrow to you? You said, borrow me money. I want the money I want to use the money to do something like this, like that. The person say, okay, what is your name? My name is B. Why? Why B? Yeah, what's the meaning of B? My name is Biafra in-Exile. Okay, your name is Briggy, right? He said yes. So now I want to borrow this money to you. What name should I put in document? No. Don't put Briggy. Put United States of Biafra in that USB. But you told me your name is Briggy. Yes, my name is Briggy. But if I want to introduce myself, but if I want you to recognize me, you put USB. If you are in a position to help the person, what will you do? Won't you know that the person talking to you is a fool? The man said it here clearly. 3 hours. According to what this guy, who is one of the people that are championing this, you said you declared that. This is the way they mock themselves. You say you declared Biafra, which means they don't even accept it. They would ask you. You say you declared Biafra. Okay, where is that your Biafra that you declared? Where is it now? Where is it now? The same question that PM warned everybody that you're going to hear that is no longer coming from DOS. It's coming from the cabinet members, former cabinet members of Briggy. You get the point. So we may expatiate on this later, but because we are coming live, but honestly, I've already prepared what we're going to talk about in the live stream. Please join us. We are going to host that on our main platform. So subscribe to the channel, both of this channel, and Kai Reports and the Kai Report News. These two channels are yours. Okay, without you, we won't be here. So support us in any way you can. Subscribe and like the video. See you again, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.